Hey there! Today I have a Golden Tote unbagging for you. Well, actually it's a little different. I didn't do the July Golden Tote, but they actually had a sale on their website. So everything that was in their boutique, I think prior to the July Tote, was on sale for $20. So I wasn't gonna do the July Tote, but then I did happen to go onto the website and I saw all this stuff on sale. So I ended up buying some things, but good news is I only spent $80 plus shipping. So I bought 4 things and I thought I got some pretty good deals. I've already opened this and tried it on, but I just thought I'd share them with you. Okay, so let's go over the things I got. And some of these things actually might still be on the website. If you go to their boutique and you kind of scroll down, they'll have the current stuff and then they'll have all the sale items, and I think it'll stay at $20 until they're sold. Okay. The first item, and these were all things I had seen, before, and I had actually considered putting in my tote, but then I didn't. So the first one is this yellow top, and this is by Skies Are Blue, which is one of my favorite brands from Golden Tote, and it's also a brand that you see from Stitch Fix. And it's a size medium, and it's really a pretty print, and it's lightweight. It's not like your typical, a lot of my tops are flowy and polyester. This one is actually, it says polyester. Doesn't feel like polyester. It's polyester. Doesn't feel like polyester, but anyway, yeah, it's a very pretty print. I do like floral, and I kind of like yellow now. So yeah, so this is $20. I also got this top, and this is by LOVERICHE, and I got it in a size medium. And it's just a very pretty floral again, and it has some fluttery sleeves. And yeah, I thought it was really nice. Okay, also I got this top here. It's just a white, kind of a flowy, longer length top, and it's by the brand TYCHE, TYCHE, medium, made in the USA. And yeah, very cute, and it's lined, and actually this top was lined too. And lastly, for $20, I got this dress, and they didn't have a medium, so I just got a small, and this is by GILLI. It's kind of a knit dress with a very kind of a fun, I guess it's patriotic. It was like, I think, 4th of July type of dress. And yeah, I got a size small in this since it didn't have a medium, but since it was such a flowy dress, I thought I'd take a chance and see if it fit. And for $20, and actually the small fit. So yeah, so that's what I got from the Golden Tote Sale. I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on for you guys and try to style everything just so you can see how everything looked on. And I thought I got some really good deals. I actually was really happy with everything I got. With their sale, it's all sales final, so if you don't like anything that you get, you can always just sell it on their Facebook page. They have a trading group, or I guess you could posh it. but anyway, I am actually really happy with everything I got. I haven't worn anything yet because I was going to wait to film this, and I always try to film videos on the weekends. But anyway, okay, I'm rambling. I'll go ahead and try everything on so see how it looks. Okay, here is the yellow blouse. Skies Are Blue. And let's see, this is very cute. Has this front detail. Sleeveless. Not bad. Okay, here is the other floral top. And yeah, it's really cute. It's lined, and it's got these kind of fluttery sleeves. Bad. I paired it with these army green jeans, or actually pants, and I think these are from Blouse from the rack. So yeah, cute. Here's the white top. You can see it's longer in the back, and yeah, it's very cute. It's lined, so it's not see-through. It's got a V-neck. It's a little on the big side for me, but I didn't want to get a small and take a chance. But yeah, I like it. I just paired it with some shorts. And these I got from Uniqlo. Okay. Okay, here is the GILLI dress. And it is a size small. But I think it looks nice. Doesn't feel tight. It's loose. It has these kind of, I don't know if that's cold shoulder sleeves. Sort of, but not really. But yeah, I think it's cute. I like it. And it's comfortable. And it was $20. Okay, so that was everything I had for this very quick Golden Tote Sale haul. And yeah, I was actually really pleased with everything I got. And I thought I got a really good deal. I love good deals. And honestly, I wasn't going to buy anything from Golden Tote this past month in July. But I just couldn't resist, you know, $20 each. Yeah, and also just an FYI, they are going to have their August Golden Tote going up August 6th. So it's always a good idea, I think, if you are going to order from Golden Tote, to check it out on the first day. That's when they have the most selection. And what they'll usually do is maybe the day before, if you go onto their Tumblr, they'll post pictures of all their collection. So that's what I usually do. I just go and I look and see if there's anything that I would be interested in buying. So when I log in on the Monday, I try to get, you know, like I have choice 1, choice 2, whatever. And if I can't get those, then I won't do the tote. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Golden Tote haul video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of usually clothing unboxing. I have Stitch Fix coming up. I'm still working on editing my Gap Old Navy haul with some mom jeans coming up also. And I'm still working on that Walmart haul that I mentioned a while ago. I had ordered a bunch of stuff and I had to basically return everything. I ordered the wrong size. I ordered mediums. They were too big. And also I got like a totally random item that was wrong and I returned it and I still haven't gotten credit back. It's been a process. And I went to the store, I couldn't really find anything. And so I just decided to try to order more things online. So I do have that coming, and hopefully there'll be some stuff worth showing. But I'm still planning to do that Walmart haul. But anyway, thanks again, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye now.